In recovery, the environment you choose matters. That's why Asana Recovery offers gender-specific sober living homes designed to keep you focused, supported, and safe. Men and women face different challenges in addiction recovery. Gender-specific homes remove distractions, build emotional safety, and create a community where people can truly open up. For men, recovery often means redefining strength, learning healthy communication, rebuilding relationships, and finding purpose alongside a brotherhood that truly understands. For women, sober living provides trauma-informed support, space to heal, build confidence, and grow in a community rooted in trust and empowerment. Asana Recovery also offers LGBTQ+ affirming homes and co-ed living for those ready to practice real-world relationship skills with healthy boundaries. Every home offers structure, curfews, meetings, accountability partners, and a supportive community that keeps you moving forward. If you or someone you love is ready for a safe, structured, and supportive place to rebuild, Asana Recovery is here to help. Your new beginning starts now.